Okay, guys, I want to today um, talk about how I fix this pipeline error that I was getting um, for a Blazor server project. Um, so the pipeline completes successfully, as you can see right here, status success. And if we look in here, we look at all of our tasks, they all succeed, which is a little bit misleading because if we look at the publishing build, we get this warning that our directory is empty. Nothing will be added to the build artifact drop. And we can confirm that by looking here and seeing that there were in fact no artifacts created. So let's take a look at the pipeline to see what was going on. If we edit the pipeline here, this is going to show the old version, but when we create the pipeline by default, it uses this script to do the build, and I wanted to build just this specific project. And the build task was completing successfully, but it wasn't creating any output. So how did I fix that? Well, I fixed that by using the .NET Core CLI at 2 task. So this is the version 2 of the .NET Core CLI. With the build command, I gave it our path to the CS project I want to use. And then for the output, we set it to the build artifact staging directory output. So you can see here, this is after I made that change, and we now have an artifact published. And you'll see other warnings as well. So this is the other thing I noticed, and so what I think was actually happening, the problem with using this script, which is what's here by default, in our scenario, where I wanted to build a specific CS project, this is probably the problem here. I probably had this statement here incorrect. And the reason I think that is if we go back and we look at the build, let's see, right here, this was the build that was using that script right here. And it kind of looks like it's doing some stuff. It's determining projects to restore, and it's restoring certain projects here. And then it says build succeeded. And it does say 8 warnings, 0 errors, but it doesn't actually list those errors. Whereas if we look at the one that did succeed, we have those warnings showing up there. So you do see those compiler warnings there. We have build succeeded, again, 8 warnings, 0 errors. But this time it actually did build and send something to the output. So anyhow, that's how I fixed it. I hope it helps you guys. I'll just sum it up here again. If we go to our edit pipeline, we'll sum it up here. So there we go. Instead of using the default script command, when you first create the pipeline, this default script command will be here. Instead of using that, we've commented it out, and we've used the XAML or the YAML, sorry, command to build the project. So I'm sure there's a way to get this working correctly here on the script command. I'm not smart enough to know that. If you are, leave me a comment. Let me know how else I could have fixed this. in the comments. I really would appreciate it and help the community out as well. Hope you all have a great day.